The RV Repair Centre, I love this place because when it comes to repairing and restoring caravans, they can pretty much do anything. This is a 1965 Coronet. Now, it's a labour of love, a passion project of owner Andrew Phillips, and when it's completed, when it's fully restored, it's going to be back to its original state. I think you're going to like this one. Let's have a look.
Now, back in the mid-60s when Ian Farron built this particular van, he had it with a single bed layout. Now, somewhere along the way, one of this van's owners had changed it to a double bed configuration. However, showing commitment to his cause, Andrew Phillips has rebuilt the single bed layout. This involved hours of painstaking research, looking through old brochures and magazines, and he's been able to work out the right type of timber, the right thickness of the timber, and in some cases had to re-mill the timber. So he's rebuilt the single bed layout right down to the original timbers. Now, this is the front of the van and it was completely rotted out, so it's had to be thoroughly restored. And here we've got a piece of hardwood, and they don't even make the correct thickness of hardwood anymore, so this had to be milled down to original specification.
Australia has an amazing caravanning history, and Coronet was one of our biggest brands back in the day. So it's fantastic to see such an early model being given a whole new lease on life by the RV Repair Centre.